So, YILDIRIM International Entrepreneurship Award. This is an old award. We have given it every year for innovative leadership in establishing, developing, and growing against all challenges, odds, and risk, a sustainable business as per FLOGEN sustainability framework in the environment, economy, and social point of view. This is old, it's 49 countries, but this was very old, about 3-4 years ago. Now we are, but this was when we established. So who is the winner of the Entrepreneurship Award? Anybody can guess? Anybody can guess? So we had the presentation from YILDIRIM Group on yesterday, and you saw that he transformed the company from a small company, family company, in a worldwide company in 50 countries through this work. Who is the winner? Emily Hersh, CEO, Luna Energy. Congratulations, congratulations. That's the award. Sure, we have all the different awards. Yeah, so you keep with your hand. Please. Your hand. Okay. She has established an exploratory company in lithium.
And uranium.
And uranium, yes, I am backwards. Okay, say some few words.
This one? This one. Thank you very much for the opportunity to join this very exciting interdisciplinary conversation. One of the most interesting parts about doing mineral exploration for energy metals, or the materials that underpin not just the energy transition, but all of the exciting and new technologies that are being developed in labs around the world. Being able to have a foot in both the exploration world and understanding how new research techniques, new geophysical or geoscientific techniques allow us to reinterpret data that was maybe acquired in the 60s, 70s, or 80s, as well as understanding what the applications could be for these materials based on the exciting new developments that are happening at the lab scale. So thank you for the invitation, and thank you very much for the recognition.
Congratulations. Congratulations. So she deals with lift mining, mineral processing, and the woman.